Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a massive email list right here on YouTube. The first step is to go to the Chrome Web Store and install this extension called Simple Autoscroll. Next, we want to install a second extension called Email Extractor. The third step is to jump over to this website called Playboard. Playboard basically gives you a ton of data on different YouTube channels, including the business email addresses associated with those channels. So once we're at Playboard, we want to go ahead and search for a keyword. So let's say make money online. And Playboard will pull up all of the channels in the make money online niche. There are a ton of filters that you can play around with to get the exact channels that you want to find. But for now, I'm going to leave this as it is. Now, whenever you scroll through this page, the email extractor extension is going to pick up all the email addresses from the channels that you find on this page. So we can see right here, it has already picked up on 16 email addresses. Now, instead of doing this manually, let's click on the auto scroll extension, customize our settings, and hit go. And this extension is going to make it super easy and fast to scroll through this entire page. And in just about 3 minutes, we already collected over 200 email addresses. So let's take a look at those email addresses right now. So let's click here. And then we can just scroll down and take a look at the email addresses that we have collected. And when we're ready to download these email addresses, we can use either of these options. So we can copy all of these email addresses, or we can download them to a text file or to a CSV file. In this case, I'm going to download them to a CSV file. I'm going to hit save. Then I want to open this file to take a look at the list that I've just downloaded. And here we have the email list that we just created using this simple, free, fast, and effective method. You can go ahead and clean your list, upload these leads to your email autoresponder, and begin mailing. If you're not sure how to clean your email list, there should be another video popping up on your screen that I've already made showing you step by step how I clean my email list to get the best deliverability and engagement. Go ahead, click that video, watch it, and let me know what you think. If you found value in this video, go ahead, subscribe, like, share, and do hit the bell notification so that you can be notified the next time I upload another video. Lastly, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this video. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.